Now we want to talk about view directives and a few of event handling. So a typical view directive is one that has v to it. So basically v dash, you can see we have a bunch of directives: bind, cloak, modal once, pre-show. So these are called directives in Vue, and we are going to be working with that in this video. So first, I think I would like to get rid of a few things here. Let me just get rid of this. And let's declare a count. Let's declare a count equals 0. We're declaring a state count equals ref0. Sorry about that. Ref0. And let me clean up this a bit. Let me write, let's give this a little bit of space and say my count and is equal to count. We come here, you can see we have this, and under this we want to have two buttons. Div, so button increase, like button decrease. See, increase button and the decrease button. So we're going to be looking at one of the most common event handlers, which is click, and that is what we're going to be used to increase this count. Now for view here, for the ref state declared here, how we would normally increase a value in JavaScript, say we have const num equal 0. We could have this as num. We could write a function that have num plus or equal num plus equals 1. Now this would be a let. It would be a let, so a value that you can reassign, and you would have a function that calculates this. Typically you would have a function that just does this, and you would call the function whenever you needed to. So for view, it is somewhere similar with refs. So let's go ahead and declare a function to increase and a function to decrease. So const increase. We're going to be using arrow functions here. So we want to have our count. Don't forget we needed that value to access the value. That value plus equals 1. We also want to decrease, so const decrease. Count the value, we need the value to access it, minus one. So if we come here, we're going to be using the onClick event, which is also a directive. So we want to have v on click, and we're going to be passing it the argument, which is increase. So this, we've passed it the argument. So view directives, some of them take arguments while some of them don't. For this one, we also have v on click. On click, we want to have decrease. Now, what happens if we were to press on the increase and decrease button? sorry for the decrease, it needs a so voila, this happens. When we click on increase, our count increases, and then when we click on decrease, our count decreases. That is exactly what we want for our event handling. So now there's nothing wrong with having this on click and accessing the counter value directly like this. So you can just have count plus plus like this. And if we save, increase, it worked. Let me reload to see, to let you know it worked. It works. It works just as the same. But normally you wouldn't have this because now we're being able to access our state directly. You don't want that. You want to declare a function that modifies the state for a better code readability. So let me revert to increase. Another thing about directives is they have shorthands. So the shorthand for on is actually at. So for onClick, you would have at. You can see we have them, drag, key up, key down, stuff, bunch of stuff. And what we want is the click, at click, increase. Increase, it works. Decrease, it works. Going forward, I'm going to be using the shorthand because that is what you would typically use, and it is recommended to use it. But it's just nice to know that under the hood it is v on and not just at. So there you have it, event handling and view directives